Okay, the first thing you're going to want to do is go to your MLS listings. You're going to click on Manage Listing. Then from here, you're going to click on the drop down arrow up here where it says Add Listing. You're going to click New Regular Listing. You're going to select a class, residential, single family. And then here it is a detached home. Your listing office, you're going to select. It should automatically pull up your name. If it doesn't, it should. Mine did. And then you're going to click on Next Step. And then you're going to enter in the parcel, zip, and county information, then click Realist Data, and it will automatically populate down here this information. If it doesn't, then you can manually input this information here. You will need to deselect this if you enter the property address here. Or you could just type in the property address, click Realist Data, and see if everything populates down here. It should. What you want to make sure is that this little red bubble is where it actually is on the street map. Sometimes they're not in the right location, so sometimes you will need to manually move the button like I'm doing here. And then it'll say location changed, you will say yes or no, etc. So once you fill out everything that has a little red star, it will let you move on to the next step. Sometimes it will let you move on anyways, but listing details, you want to put, the listing status will be active, the listing date will be the date that you put it on. So you can put it on, I think you were going to start it on the 11th or the 10th, one of those dates. If you did the 10th, that's fine. And list price, because what you could do is you could start entering this information in, and then you can always save it. It'll be saved as a draft because the very last step is to verify the information. And it says right here, look, it says verify is the last step, verify. And then it says verify, please fix all errors in order to continue. So you need to fix the errors. You can either click it or look over here on this side to the right, errors, check for errors, and it's going to give you all the information here. This will take you exactly to where the errors are so you can go in and fix them. The last thing you want to do is hit submit, because when you hit submit, it will create the MLS number, which is great, but you need to be sure that you have all of your information in and your photos in. If you don't, then the public will see it unfinished, and you don't want that, especially for this property. You want it to look good. But you're going to go down to every section and just fill in the information. You're going to do is, again, you only have to do the information where there's a red star. And like cooling, if you know it has an air conditioner, then you would type in the type. If it's central AC, if there are ceiling fans, if there are none, then you would write none. You just click whichever ones they are, okay? And then you do the same thing for exterior features. You fill out that information. Community info, if there's an HOA, you fill out that information. Marketing photos, here's where once you get your photos, you're going to upload your photos here, and it says you can click to upload or you can drag your photos. So if you have another window open, let's say I had a window here, I can grab it and then drop it into this part here if I wanted to. And then for agents, you want to make sure that the showing instructions for the public are different. So private remarks, this is for the agents. This means that only the agents will see this information, but you want to make sure that the public remarks are different. Once you create your MLS, then you can, only once you finish it and you have the actual MLS number, can you come back, go back in and then hit manage open house and manage the tour. That's the only way you can do open house and tours in here. You have to create the listing first, get out, go back in, and then do the open house and tour. It's a little bit annoying, but it's okay. And then your listing contact information will populate, and then also showing instructions. You're going to have instructions occupied by owner, and then you can say showing contact, you're going to put your name. Showing contact type, you're going to say call agent, you're going to put your phone number. Showing instructions, you can say see remarks. You can add the showing instructions in the remarks, because I know she wanted people to pay attention to show up while she or one of her family members are there. So you just want to make sure of all of that. Okay, this is a super fast, super quick MLS video for you, and let me know what questions you have. Okay, bye.